Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of the function keys, F9, whilst you're writing formulas. It allows you to see the result of the formula in the formula bar before you finish writing it. I find that so useful. Let me show you how simple it is. So here you can see I've got some very, very simple formulas just to show you. I've actually finished writing my formulas. I'm got the correct answer here for demonstrating really the order of operations with Excel. Here is the formula that I've written. If I select the formula up on the formula bar and I press the F9 key, it gives me the answer up there in the formula bar before I finish. If I'm just using it to check, what I do is escape to go back to showing me the formula. Okay, so that works on all of these. If I just demonstrate it again, F9, you can see the answer there is 20 to that one. So here I've got a more complex formula using several nested formulas. So if I want to check out as I'm writing it how it's going to work out, I select the relevant part of the formula. So I'm just looking to see what that match will do. Press F9 and it gives me a result. The match gives me a 7. So if I escape, let's look at the whole formula now. And that's the answer we're going to get if we go ahead with that formula between 56 and 60. So that is quite useful to me when I'm writing my formulas. I hope that that was useful for you too, and that if you're using formulas, you can check them on the formula bar before you complete them. Why don't you let me know how you get on?